Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, Markets Analyst at Hantech Markets for Monday the 14th of April. We're going to move on to the sterling dollar now, and what I basically focused on last week was the fact that we didn't break to that new high above 68.22. And I think that's putting pressure on this cable chart now, and that it looks like the pressure is beginning to tell to the downside. It certainly looks like it's rolling over near term anyway, around these levels. And if I go quickly into the intraday chart, once more it looks like it's forming a top pattern. It does like to form these top patterns. This was last week, or the couple of weeks back. It formed this head and shoulders top pattern that ultimately went towards the target. So it looks like it's building another one now, and I think it's needs to break. If I just focus back in, needs, I think, to look for a confirmation below that 67.03 mark, which was the reaction low following on from the opening of trade after the weekend, which was actually a gap that's now been filled. So that's going to be not really in the equation anymore. So I think if it continues to find resistance underneath that 67.49 mark, and then push back below that 67.03 mark, I think the pressure will be to the downside, as you would then have this completed top pattern and a confirmation of that completion of the top pattern, and then you're going to be coming back towards. If I zoom back out again, I think you're coming back towards probably this neckline area around the 66.20 mark, which was a fairly strong band of support anyway. So I think that would be where you'd be coming back towards in the event of this top pattern being confirmed below 67.03. You've got the momentum indicators, which, as I said last week, had been bearishly diverging through the move to that high there. The bearish divergence on the RSI and also the MACD lines suggested a weakness in the momentum, and it's what ultimately we're seeing now. So I think what we need to be doing is concentrating on potentially selling this into strength. Any sort of another sell signal underneath 67.49, perhaps using that as an opportunity. You haven't really had the weakness in cable as yet, or certainly not compared to the weakness that we've seen in the euro this morning. But I still think that with these momentum indicators in bearish configuration, also the moving average is rolling over. I think the pressure is beginning to build to the downside once more, and certainly if it broke below 67.03, I think that would be your confirmation of that mark. So and I think that would take us back down towards the low 166 area, 166.20, something like that. So that's my expectation on cable. And I wish you good luck in your trading today. Don't forget the retail sales at 130, which could have an impact on this chart. Certainly a strong retail sales number would be dollar positive, and that would drag cable lower, so just watch out for that. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.